Whoa! A lot of backbone. Like, I've landed big fish. Oh. There we go. That's what we came for, buddy. All right, guys, welcome back. We're here on the river. We're at the very top of a series of deep holes. Right now, we're set up on an eddy and a current break. So the water up here above us is 4 feet deep, and you can see by the bubbles, this is an eddy. And down here at the base of the eddy is 8 to 10 feet. And obviously we have lots of large boulders underwater here. Across the river is a sandbar. That's probably where we'll end up camping tonight. But we're gonna work our way about 1.5 miles down the river this evening, hitting all these spots along the bank primarily. So for rigs, we just have Carolina rigs with octopus J hooks. I'm gonna start by running 2 pieces of cut sunfish and 2 live sunfish, and we'll see what the fish prefer. Lately, the cut bait has been seriously outperforming live bait. My last 2 trips, I don't think I've gotten a single fish on live bait. It's all been cut bait. And that includes good fish too, large fish. For bait, we have a variety pack of sunfish. Not sure what all was in there. Some of them are small, some of them are big. I'm gonna start out by putting some of the smaller ones, like maybe these green sunfish here, just because it's early. We're about 6:30 this evening, so I don't really expect a whole lot of action until about 10. So for the live baits, I'm running the exact same rig. Except I have a little more weight on the live baits and a slightly shorter leader, just to keep them from snagging me as much. They're still going to snag me in all these rocks. I've got my new 4-reel fishing bait net, large. Thank you to Tyler Barnes and 4-Reel Fishing for sponsoring our kids fishing tournament. My kids placed in the tournament and they wanted to purchase this bait net with the gift certificate they want. I like to hook these right ahead of the dorsal fin at an angle with the hook point facing the head of the bait. For whatever reason, I find that turns into the side of the fish less often. I also do it at like a 45-degree angle if you're looking down from the top. All right, ready to go find the big ones. Don't want to throw them in the tree. All right. That was fairly shallow, probably only 4 or 5 feet, but he's right on the seam. So. That seam. Sorry I didn't get the takedown on video, but that's a good fish. I don't think he's huge, but big head shake. We weren't even set up. The lines are out for maybe not even 2 minutes, I would say. It's a decent fish. He's trying to go under the rock now. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that, bud. He's gonna break me off. Son of a bitch. The rock right behind the boat that he's trying to go under. That was fast.
Yeah, and we have caught one.
All right.
I like as soon as.
You like those kind of bites? Fast.
So.
I think I'm just going to start leaving the bait clicker on for dramatic effect. All right, first fish. Less than 5 minutes in. Decent one.
Dad, let me take a picture of it.
He's not 10, but he's well over 5. I'd say probably 7, 8. Pretty one. Really nice markings on it. All right, let's let him go. We'll put him under that rock that he kept trying to go under. All right, he's going right back out, right on the scene. I still got the painter's tape on this one from when I rebuilt this rod. Graphite composite, you know, graphite glass composite thing, but I just put big eyelets on it and real heavy wraps, and then I extended the grip wrap with paracord. I think this is a fast action, or a moderate fast. So it has a soft tip. This is actually like a heavy bass rod, but it has a soft tip, but then a lot of backbone. Like, I've landed big fish. Oh. Well, I say that. Now my rod's broken in half, so I'm gonna say I probably fucked that up. Wow, that was idiotic. I'm just gonna bomb him out through the middle where that tree-looking thing is. This reel doesn't pass. Oh well, you could hear it. It's a quality reel there. For dinner, I've got me a leftover Philly cheesesteak that I had for lunch. I made 2 of them and wasn't hungry enough, so the second one is dinner. It's just steakums, onions, homemade nacho cheese sauce, and a steak roll, like whatever those, Myers Italian or whatever. Oh. Live bait's bouncing. How's it going, boy? Don't eat all my jerky. We scanned about a 2-mile stretch of the river. We're down right in a river bend. We have a bottom transition going from sand to rock. There's some timber. There's, you know, a sandbar with a drop off on this beach here. We're dropping into, I think I saw 12 or 14 feet deep, relatively close to the bank. We had a little bit of a scare with the motor. That's why the cowling is off. Apparently we ran at idle speed for too long, because when I started to smell something funny, and I turned around and it looked like the motor was smoking. So then I hurried up and quickly shut it off, got the cowling off, and then I turned it on and off a couple times just here on the bank, just to cycle fresh water through. And at first it smelled like smoke, but then once it pumped water through, I don't know if it clogged something from running at idle speed, or if it just the water pump can't keep up at idle speed. But anyway, yeah, that really scared me. Motor seems to be okay now, though. I guess we'll find out when we go to leave. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be ordering a water pump impeller. The neighbors are leaving, I guess. I'm making a joke about the geese, boy. I'm saying the neighbors are leaving.
I didn't see them come down. What?
You?
Me.
There's another one. Here, take yours. Take yours.
Okay.
Take yours before that pole gets pulled in. Reel. Oh boy, this is a big one.
I wonder what's on this one.
You still got him?
Yeah, I think I do.
Oh no, you lost him, buddy.
Ah,
Who's a big one?
and this is my food.
He's gonna get him out of the line and yep, he swam over top of it. Oh boy. This is a good fish, buddy. Alright. I'm sorry you lost your fish.
Can I at least have that one?
No, this one's big. Did you hear him? This is a big fish.
Why is,
Buddy, please move out of the way, okay?
and why is the bluegill so heavy? But it's also because of this fish. But we're going to. I wonder how big that thing is going to be.
I think this is bigger than yours, honestly.
What?
I think this one's bigger than yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
My biggest one?
It might be.
I don't think so.
Look at the way the rod's bent. Oh. Yeah, man, this one's big. Wow. All right, please stay out of the way, buddy. Yes, buddy. Okay, can you get out of the way? This is a huge fish, bud.
But where do I move to? Oh, that thing.
Ain't ready yet. Oh, I got him. That thing fought like crazy, bud.
I'm with
There we go. That's what we came for, buddy. There's a fish right there. Once they get over a certain size, they all look huge. But let's see how big he actually is. Chill. 26.7. That is still a big old fish, and that's what we came for, buddy.
Is
Right?
that still bigger than like one of your records? Is that now your best fish?
Ow. No. My best one was the same night you caught your... He keeps biting the crap out of me. Man, that's a good fish. All right. Time to let him go. All right. See you, buddy. We'll get bigger. I want to see you when you're 37.
That fish was awesome.
Up.
This is my one since I didn't get that one. This is my
Okay,
one.
get over here.
I'm here.
He's coming towards us. I don't think he's very big, buddy. He's racing at us. I can't tell where he went. Oh, he's under our boat. Channel cat. He's a channel.
That's gonna be a big channel.
No, not really. He's just an angry channel.
But he's also, but he is long.
Alright.
I want to take a
He
picture.
fought like crazy.
I want to
Quick
take a
little
picture
booger.
of him.
He's
too.
not 5, he's like 4. 3.5, 4.
I want to take a picture of him.
Okay.
That's two pictures.
So after the first spot, we came another 2 miles up the river. We put up our fancy semi-full enclosure to hopefully stay dry. It wasn't supposed to rain at all. And then all of a sudden the hourly forecast said 70%. We've had good luck here in the past, I'll say that. The biggest fish out of this spot was 28. That may be in a video. I'm not sure whether it'll make it in a video or not, but that may be in an upcoming video or a previous video, I'm not sure. A fancy little entry door here. So there's the setup. I got I call it my bug light. My UV light is sitting on the roof, so it keeps the bugs out of our enclosure. Hopefully something cool happens. Whoa!
Oh.
It's a tragedy. What's been happening to the university? Robberies, vandalism. Where
Dr. Long? Dr. Long, I'm Summer Gleason with Gotham Insider. Can I ask you a few questions about the recent robberies?
All right, but I'm in a hurry.
Dr. Long, do you have any idea why someone would want to destroy the university?
No, but one more disaster and students will be afraid to set foot on this campus. Hello, Summer.
Bruce, what a pleasant surprise. Dr. Long, have you met Bruce Wayne?
Your father and I attended university together. He had big plans for you.
Well, I guess if you please. Wayne Industries is more prosperous than ever.
Pleased? When your father was alive, Wayne was the name that commanded quick.
I mean, look at the hook compared to the fish. Took a while to hook him. Alright. He'd be a good eater. But we ain't. See ya, buddy.
Gas and maybe further analysis. Increased exposure to the gas will result in permanent static. Alfred, upstairs with it. Bring it down.
Oh, go fake it yourself.
Very fun, Alfred.
Alright, another little channel cat. He flipped himself off the hook. Simon. Got a messed up whisker. Been hooked in his mouth before. He's eating a lot of baits.
Okay, let's shoot it.
Beat up. Looks like a flathead tried
I'm
to
here
eat
in
him.
downtown Gotham,
He's
where
all
corporate
stuffed up on
CEOs
one
have gone
side.
stark raving mad. It would
Wow.
appear that the collapse
Look at
of the
that.
stock market is now imminent.
I'm pretty sure a flathead tried to eat that fish. He's got scuff marks that are healed on both sides of his tail. Like the skin's almost completely gone. Beat up fish. See ya, buddy.
Is this slime one?
Oh, man, it's bad. Pulled it right out of his mouth. So apparently a tree and a flathead bite the same way. That's like a big chunk of wood too. I hauled in a tree. I thought for sure I had a flathead, and I just pulled in a big piece of a tree, like a big chunk of a tree.
Right there?
Yeah, see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I just reeled in. I thought for sure it was a flathead the way it was bouncing.
Okay.
I got a big one.
I know. I'm watching.
Oh, that's a really big one. This is a really big one. This is going to take the most difficult possible way to come in. Now he wants to go the other way. Nope. Nope, you already made up your mind. Go this way. Nope. Yep, go that way. He's not as big as I thought. He's big though. Oh no, he's under the boat. Come on, man. He does not like the light. Alright. Whew. Another big one on video. Awesome. Alright. That is a fat boy. He's not that long, but he is fat. There we go. Hopefully you can see him. He's not as big as the last one, but he's pretty nice. Yeah. 21. It's 2 over 20. Last time we were here, we had 2 over 20. All right. See you later, buddy. Please don't splash me. I'm wet enough. There he goes. There, we got it. Hold it right out of it. Breathing circle. I just don't like down here. There's a fire. Little guy. I was just thinking, stop raining again. Sometimes we just start like. If we were eating, you'd be the one, bud. You would be the one. Cute little feller. That was him, wasn't it? That's pretty bouncy. Here's the pushing you up there. I don't feel properly. Looks like this is damn clips are off now. Small flathead. Why is the tip spider all the way up there? Alright. There he is. Little guy. If I was hungry. He's about 5-6 pounds maybe. Yeah, nice one. Get him back. See you, buddy. man. There we go. Alright. 30, probably close to it. $28.9. I'll toss it in bed with. Alright. There he is. 28.9. See you, buddy. Ooh. See where you went up. This is our sleeping arrangement. Well, we get it. It's just coming in, man. Take her light off. One more roll. Yeah, boy. Ow. Ow. Alright. Got my wrong hand in his mouth. There we go. I don't even know what time it is now. The last one was at 3 o'clock. I imagine we're pushing 5 now, probably. too. She's a short foul. Alright. Gee, buddy. I would really take off with the sharks. Good morning. We slept in. It is like 8:30. And it's pouring, so this is going to be a miserable boat ride. No more fish after the 5:30. Time for some coffee. Alright guys, I'm going to start trying to record proper intros and outros and try to, tell a better story with the videos instead of just mashing together a bunch of fishing clips. So this morning I woke up early and the weather was decent, but my son was still asleep, so I dozed off again. Woke up a second time late and it was pouring rain. So we just kind of hung out, ate our breakfast, waited for the rain to stop, to slack off, and then we pulled down our enclosure and as fast as we could got on the river, but it was about a 5-mile boat ride, so we got soaked when it started raining again. Back at the house now. My 6-year-old said that was the best fishing and camping trip we've ever had and the worst boat ride we've ever had. Sometimes the river she gives, sometimes the river she takes. Yeah, speaking of giving and taking, we picked this up out of the river. It's a brand new Max River Runner made for 9.9 to 30 horsepower motors. So, and I happen to have a 9.9 Mercury sitting right over there for the little boat that's behind me that I'm not sure if it shows up in the frame or not. So, if this belongs to you and you can tell me where you lost it, I'll happily give it back. Otherwise, I'm going to try to straighten it out and put it on my motor. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you don't mind hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel, helps get the videos seen more. Most of my videos have like 10 views and it's mostly my kids and family, but a couple of them have blown up and gotten a couple hundred views. So anything that gets it into the algorithm gets it seen by more people. So, yep, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.